in the last 100 years. A discovery that could make you rich. What is it? Resveratrol. And everyone is talking about it.
Resveratrol, the derivative found in red wine and certain plants, may play a role in protecting against diabetes and obesity.
Red wine contains an antioxidant called resveratrol, which is abundant in the skin of red grapes and may protect against cardiovascular disease.
Resveratrol also blocks cell inflammation, which is linked to arthritis and other diseases.
Men's Journal, Wired Magazine, Fortune Magazine. The list goes on and on. Everyone agrees. Resveratrol is the most amazing health discovery of our time.
Now I want to get on to resveratrol. Resveratrol is the substance in wine. And you've been hearing over the years how a glass of red wine is good for you. Now Harvard researchers have found that this active ingredient in wine that is good for you has all kinds of benefits. It prolongs life. It helps diabetes. It lowers cholesterol. Its main thing is it promotes life. These Harvard researchers have found that the resveratrol molecule affects proteins in the body that have to do with longevity. So I have been taking resveratrol. The product I take is Botanical Vitality. But remember, when I give you a trade name, I have never received a dime from any company for mentioning a trade name. I just tell it to you to help you. Now, the thing that you have to know about resveratrol, which, as I say, I've been taking for years, is that there is new information that the dosage we have been taking is not enough, and that includes Botanical Vitality. So the new dosage is not 50 milligrams, which we've all been taking, 50 milligrams a day, but 200.
Wow.
And Botanical Vitality now makes the 200 milligram, and you can also get it in other preparations. But get the 200 milligrams of resveratrol every day.
How did he discover these proteins? This looks like a barcode, but it's really a map of our genome, the blueprint for human life stored in every cell in our bodies. A few of these genes play a key role in the speed at which our cells age. Dr. Sinclair randomly tested tens of thousands of cells, searching for the chemical that would activate those genes.
We found them by accident. We stumbled upon this molecule from red wine. And when I looked on the computer, what is this resveratrol, and found that it was in red wine, I almost fell off my chair. Because, of course, we all have heard that red wine is good for you.
Just so happens, I have red wine.
To your health.
How much of this would I have to drink to really make a difference?
Well, our experiments tell us probably about 1,000 bottles a day.
So that was not the solution. Dr. Sinclair then went back to the lab and found a way to make resveratrol 1,000 times more potent. So what does it do in the body?
Well, what we have discovered is that resveratrol works on a gene which is called SIRT1, and this is a gene that controls the aging process. Resveratrol seeks out that gene and switches it on.
And with that gene activated in the mouse on the right by a high dose of resveratrol, she quickly turned into a mini Olympian, running twice as far as the untreated mouse on the left.
And they were eating a high-fat diet, a fatty diet, and they lived just as long as a lean, healthy mouse, which means that they didn't get heart disease, cancer, even osteoporosis, and they lived 30% longer.
Can you do this in humans?
With the same exact gene. And we think that resveratrol could have similar benefits in people.